Hey there, this is just a video to show you what I have created. So basically what I've done here is the tiling component. It shows up all payments linked to an account. So we have the payment number, which links to the payment amount, and if it's above 100, it's green. If it's in between 50 and 100, it's yellow, and if it's below 50, it's red. We have the payment date, payment reason, and if it's been paid or not. These are just sort of just fields just to show you like what you can do with a table component in Salesforce. Just to show if we click into the name, it should take us to that payment. So yeah, there you go, it takes you to the payment. So if we go to the code and I can show you how it works. So this is the component class. This basically gets the values needed, all the payments linked to accounts. It's just a bit of SQL, gets the fields from the payment object that are needed, from where the account matches the record ID, and that basically means where this account ID here for whatever account's there matches this account's ID which is there. So it's basically just saying all payments, these fields and payments, which are linked to whichever account you're looking at, and it also orders it by the payment date descending. So then we go to our component. This is what draws the table. It's basically Salesforce's own language, Aura. It's similar to HTML and that sort of stuff. So here we have what decides what color it is. If it's green, if it's orange, if it's red. We have up here what displays the payment name as sort of the header, and also this enables it to be a link. And down here are just all the other values, like the day, the reason, and whether it's been accepted or not. And this is just sort of a way to format the date correctly. You could obviously do MMDD or YYY, DDMM. You can do whatever you want really. So yeah, if we move to the controller, this basically calls this helper here, which I'll show you in a minute. It's just a way to sort of split up the code and get it to run more efficiently. You could do what I'll show you in a minute in this, and it would still work, but it's just easy to split it up. And this is basically run JavaScript as well as this. So this basically, is why I said this gets the records. It kind of says what records to get and how to audit this gets the records. Where in the rest of this is all this stuff here is just debug log. You could delete all of this and the code would still work fine. It's pure for debug, which I did actually fortunately use. And finally, we have just some CSS, just to rebalance the component. You can see here we've got green, class orange, class red, and that's just how you color stuff in CSS with Aura, and that is about it.